In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix purchase failed error on Twitch. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you're told there was an error processing your purchase, please try again. Then follow these steps to fix this. First, ensure that you have enough funds in your wallet to make your purchase. If funds is not the issue, then you need to troubleshoot your app. And the first thing you want to ensure is that you're not using any VPN app or any recently installed security app on your phone. If that's the case, then uninstall them and proceed with confirming your order or your purchase. But should that fail, then most likely the problem is with Twitch app. We need to troubleshoot this, and you can do that by going to settings. From settings, look for this option called apps or all apps, and then go to manage apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Twitch, tap on it to open, and then go to force stop app. Okay, clear data and clear cache. Okay, and finally clear all data. Restart your smartphone and go log into your account. Now everything should be okay. You should be able to make your purchase. But should this still fail, then check and then see if we have any update for your Twitch app, either through Google Play Store if you're on Android like me, or App Store if you're on iPhone. Once you have searched for your app, update it if you have any update to the latest version to fix this. However, if this still fails, then try logging into your Twitch account using a web browser like Google Chrome or Firefox or any other browser that you have on your phone, and see if you can make a purchase using the browser. But should this still fail on the browser, then most likely Twitch might have experienced an internal server error. For that, you'll need to try after some few minutes, and now everything should be working without any issue. Let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, please comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.